Hello and welcome back. It's Declan here with another video. And today I'm just going to discuss Nio stock. Nio had their earnings report today. And before I go through the report on the article I have on CNBC, I'll just go through the chart here, Nio. So you can see I have the Nio stock market chart here open on the Finviz platform. And you can see the 20-day, the 50-day, and 200-day simple moving averages. And when they crossed here, there was a break-in pattern. Well, it was only slight, like there was a slight bullish candle. Then it dropped. And it dropped quite a bit in December. That was December 2021. It was hitting highs of, just over $45 a share at its peak. And on the daily chart, so at the moment it's trading at $17.48. Like I have shares in Nio myself, and they've been down a small bit since I got them, and they haven't really rose, which I thought they would. But I've set my stop loss, and I'm just being patient. But I will exit the trade if it goes down too much, and I'm not happy with it. So you can see here, Nio's chart has it's gone down quite a bit, and 1748 is down a good bit from its peak of $45 a share. So you can see also here I have the performance per week. It's down minus 13.63%, performance per month 15.38, performance per quarter 10.79, performance per half year 5.57, performance per year minus 57.62, and year to date minus 45.99. Like it has been down, quite a bit in the year to date, but in my opinion, it's got a lot of there's a lot of room for improvement if you just sit patient. Now this may not work out, but I'm just as I'm sitting patient with it at the moment. And if it doesn't work out, then I'll cut my losses. So the target price on Nio is 35.15 per share. The 52-week range, it's traded from 11.67 down to up to 44.27. Sorry, I said 45. It was 44.27 at its peak. So now I'll just take you on to the article I have. So Nio reports wider second quarter loss despite increase in EV shipments. So Chinese electric vehicle maker Nio lost 409.8 million in the second quarter, representing significantly widening losses. The company's vehicle deliveries surpassed year-ago levels and exceeded its own guidance. CEO William Bin Li said in a statement Wednesday that the second half of 2022 is a critical period for the company. And the second half of 2022 is a critical period for all companies because there's been so much supply chain issues, COVID, political instability. Everything it's having a knock-on effect. So this article was updated 4 hours ago and it was published earlier today. So Chinese electric vehicle maker Nio had a loss of 409.8 million in the second quarter, representing significantly widening losses despite deliveries that surpassed year-ago levels and exceeded its own guidance, which that's just said just above as well. So here are the key numbers from Nio's second quarter earnings report. Revenue 1.54 billion versus 1.31 billion in the second quarter of 2021. Adjusted loss per share 20 cents versus 3 cents in the second quarter of 2021, and cash at quarter end 8.1 billion, down slightly from 8.4 billion as of March 2021. So the company's gross margin for the period was 13%, significantly lower than 14% gross margin it reported last quarter and 18.6 it saw in the second quarter of last year. So that's just, the company was affected by cost volatilities as it and its suppliers scrambled to keep production running through COVID. Same with all companies. So shutdowns in April and May, the Chief Financial Officer, Stephen Weifang, said in a statement, that's understandable. Like China did go into very strict lockdowns even when we had got out of them. So this is pretty recent. So this is all affected Nio's ability to perform as a company. So those cost pressures plus increased spending on its recharging and service networks dented Nio's gross margin. The company previously announced it delivered 25,059 vehicles in the second quarter, slightly fewer than the first quarter, but above its own guidance. So the company delivered 21.896 vehicles during the second quarter of last year. CEO William Lee said in a statement on Wednesday that the second half of 2022 is a critical period for the company deliveries of Nio's new SUV, the ET7, hit full speed last month, he said, and production of the new ET5 sedan is on track to begin at the end of September. With production back to normal, Nio expects to deliver between 31,000 and 33,000 vehicles in the third quarter and to generate revenue between 1.9 billion and 2 billion in the period. So that all sounds very positive. And the statements of Nio, that's one of the Nio cars. They're pretty futuristic. They're actually pretty cool. They're a lovely looking car. So that's Nio reports wider second quarter loss, but increased despite its increase in shipments. Yeah, that's a bit of a contradiction. I know that even though there's been an increase in shipments, that the second quarter they were down for the second quarter. So yeah, just pop into the charts again, so you can see, as I said, like it's been on a constant downtrend from when it was just coming up on nearly $45 a share, just November, December of 2022, and it's been declining ever since. And you can see the line that's drawn here at 34.67, and it's gone down to 23.81. It's been on a constant decline, and it's from July, August, and September. You can see here that there's been a fair bit of choppiness. It hasn't really, like, as I said, I bought shares in it there a couple of months ago, and I added a bit more to it recently, but it hasn't gone into the green. It's been down slightly all the time since. So as I said, that this is it here, July, August, and September. And I bought it back in July, soon after I'd opened the account with eToro, and this is the choppiness here. It's not really gone anywhere. It's not gone up or down major amounts. So as I said, I'll just hold on to it and be patient for the time being. And but if it does go down, I have my stop losses set. But like with trading, I invest rather than, I don't day trade. It's swing trading or invest, and that's what I do. I like to read up on the earnings reports. The companies know what's going on in the economy. But if you're just scalp trading, that's different, or intraday trading. But I'm holding these companies for a given period of time, and unless they hit my stop loss, I'm being patient with them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It'd be greatly appreciated. Okay, thanks again. Cheers.